$79 here with something very cool. I have peeled open the top, but I've not looked in yet. I started and then I realised what it was because I've been waiting for this. I've got a camera bag, which I use, and I keep getting camera bags, trying to find that perfect one that's secure, safe, waterproof, can take a beating. This here is a 250, 260 pound bag. So I wanted to know, is it worth that kind of money? It's the VBP03, it's 25 litres, so it's quite big. The Black Snipe. And it's got this little owl picture on there. It looks pretty cool. This has come in a solid box, and it's not just even the box isn't cheap. The cardboard box they send it to you in. It's really nice. Whoa, look at that. So as you open it up, it is solid in there. It's more like a suitcase. There we go. So it's come in a little bag, one of these zipper baggy things. I always think they put these zipper things on so the bag is reusable. I don't know how many times I've actually reused these bags. Let's have a look. Right, so let's have a look. Let's have a first look of what I first think of it. Yeah. Right. Wow. It's nice, isn't it? Wow. It smells very new. Of course it does. It is. Let's take a tag off it and see what it says. Here we go. So it's a VSGO. It's a camera backpack, 25 litre. Picture of the bag. Picture of different configurations you can have inside. The lock mechanism. It's got this disc on the front or the back, depending on how you view a bag. Let's see. So first things first, it's solid. It's made of this thick plasticky rubber, a bit like pleather-ish. More of it's a raincoat, like a raincoat, thick raincoat. Okay. So that's what it is. Apparently, you open it like that, and it's supposed to. There you go. It's locked now, so nobody can get into it when they're walking up behind you unless they turn the dial. So it's not like secure. Got a little picture of the little owl inside. It's a very thick material. It's a lock mechanism. It's got a pull string with a little pull string lock on it. It's waterproof top. I can feel in there the parts of the configuration. So there must be, that fully opens up, as we'll find out in a second. Laptop section. Fully opens up. That's nice. So we've got in here. So it's got this bubble wrap texture, you know, like the poppers. It's as if it's been completely popped and put inside. Very nice. Again, magnets rather than clips. Very nice. So that's more for your tablet, a small laptop. Pockets, more pictures of the configuration. Look at this. Yes, it's these netted bags. These are good, but I always find that I put too much in them and they stretch. Yeah, best not do that. So it's got another zipper here. Oh, which gets you into the camera section. Do not eat the gel. You've got, oh, that's the rucksack part that goes around your tummy. Look at that, eh? Okay, so this, in other words, the front doesn't open at all. That's good. So you don't open it from the other side like most bags. You open it from the back. The V altitude, and it's got some other writing. Can't read it. The quality is extremely good on this bag. Really is, really, really good. It's very sturdy. These aren't, yeah, this is good strong parts. This isn't cheap and cheerful. So I can't actually put my camera in it because I'm talking to you. But the idea is I'd put my Blackmagic in here. This is far better than the bag I'm using at the moment. 2 pockets inside. You've got these large holes in the side to move the little divider, and you have all these extra pieces. And as I say, your camera is gonna really take advantage of that. Very good. The Velcro is that kind of Velcro that doesn't stick to everything, but it sticks to itself, which is good as well. You got another pocket, another fabric pocket in here. On the side, so the right side if you're wearing it, left side if you're not. Elasticated large pocket here. Really good for, I think, a bottle of water or something, probably. Oh, hang on. Ah, a little pocket here on the side. Opens up completely. It's the side with the 2 pockets on the inside. You can get into your camera. So you don't have to take it off your back all the way. You don't have to take it off and open it all up. You can just get your camera out the side as well. The good thing is, if you've got a thief behind you walking, eyeing your bag up to nick something, unless they know this exact design, no one's going to think of opening up the little pocket on the side for your camera. They're going to be thinking here on the front. So also in the front we've got this large section here, which is magnetized. It's very thin. I'd say that's if you're going off to film in a forest or something, or you're filming somewhere you don't know the place, that's more for a map, I would say. Then you've got the opposite side. Let's see, it's got another one of these ones good enough for a bottle of water or a small camera of some sort. Whoa! This has got an absolutely beefy zip clamp. It's got a really strong piece of metal on a clip that I would have thought is for, oh yes, it's for doing your tripod and your plates on the bottom of your camera. Ah, that's not nice. Fancy stuff this. So that clips onto there. Right, so we open up the other side. Let's see what this one does. Let's see if it goes inside as well. No. So this goes into a small section, very soft. 2 more pockets. That's more for, that's weird. That's for memory cards, I'd say. Putting a couple of little SSDs in there. So have a look at the bottom. It's got the little loops for putting the attachment for your tripod. 1, 2, the white things on, and then you've got your thing for around your stomach. This one's good because it's got the panels, your kidney panels, so it's nice and soft. And this will be for the bottom of it. I'm guessing me need no instructions. I bet you it's supposed, because they're quick. This bag's all quick and easy. I bet you it's quick and easy. Got a clip with a piece out of it. You slot that there. You slot that there. Put your tripod in and pull it tight. And then you got to push them in and up, in and up. At least you know they're not going to come off. They're fiddly. And that's because I forgot to put the main light on. I can't see. Come on. Meanwhile, I think, yeah, the word here is fiddly, but it's not bad because it shows that it ain't going to just fall off when you walk in. Now let's look at the straps. We've got these straps here. These are interesting. These little press and clip to lock it. But if you've got bad hands like me, oh, and it pops open. See how cozy it is. Yeah, so once you've got everything strapped in there, you have got these little clips on the side and little pullers to make it tight. Now that is nice and cozy. Let's have a look. Let's do the squish test. That's another thing, when you go to airports or you're traveling, usually when you go to sit down, you have to take your bag off. This, you can actually lean against it. It's that sturdy, it's so comfortable. What do I think? This is very nice. It's something that it feels like the Lamborghini of bags. It's got these lovely lines. It seems that everything has got a reason for it. So everything, like these clips on sides of zippers. I don't know what that does, that clip. Don't have a clue. But I'm guessing over time I'll be like, oh, I wish that clipped it. Oh, it does. Oh, and I wish that went. Oh, it does. So it's definitely waterproof. You can see, it's just like a very good rain mac. You've got plenty of room here for cameras and lights and pockets galore. And then you have this lovely mechanism that just clips on and locks it all together. And the rest of it is magnets. Is it worth 250 quid, or around that mark? Yes, I guess. It's one of these things where camera bags are usually more expensive because it's a camera bag. If you're putting it up against the top end rucksacks, like Samsonite and stuff, then yes, this is worth it. It's got its rubber feet, it stands. Yeah, I like it. I'm going to give this a good 5 star actually.